Alright, I'm getting ready to try out the lumberjack lump charcoal that I was talking to you guys about, that I received it yesterday. I ordered it over the weekend, and I think it took only 3 days to get here from Georgia, so that was kind of cool. And something else that impressed me, I pulled the string out, opened the bag without having to cut it, so that's kind of cool. Fill up the basket here. Want to see how good this stuff lights and see what it is. Got some nice color to it. Go ahead and light up the torch. Alright, here we go. See if it doesn't snap and pop like it says it's not supposed to do a lot of. If anybody knows from lighting a bunch of lump charcoal, it likes to pop on you when you're lighting it. Alright. It's lighting nicely. Also, you're not supposed to get those nasty smells that you kind of get from the chemicals and stuff when you smell the lump charcoal burning. You're not going to get that with this supposedly. It's supposed to be a lot cleaner smoke. So far, I'm liking what I see. Move this around, start another spot. That light's really easy. Not seeing any smoke from it starting up. That's pretty nice. Boy, it doesn't take a lot to get it going. Pretty easy so far. It's taking off pretty good, pretty clean. Not seeing any smoke. Smells right. I don't smell all the chemicals. We'll see as it gets hotter. Alright, I'll bring you back in a little bit. Alright, she's been lit for just a couple of minutes. It's really burning nicely. It's getting hot quick. It's clean. Really liking what I see compared to other lump charcoals. This is really doing what they say it was going to do. So far, I'm impressed. Get in there and see how hot she's burning, and we'll be cooking before long. She's really burning nicely. I gotta say, I'm really impressed. There is no odor. My wife actually walked out here a minute ago and said, wow, I actually don't smell this stuff. And that's usually what you smell when you're lighting off lump charcoals, is you can just smell that nasty odor. And not smelling it. Really liking what I see. Take you in again. She's burning nice and hot. I'm going to dump her in here in a minute and let her finish heating up. in the basket there. Dump her out. Yes, I'm not wearing a glove. Probably should be, but I'm used to this. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at how red hot that is. Stuff is burning very nicely. Taking one last look at the lumberjack lump charcoal before I throw on the grill grates. Getting ready to do a tri-tip, hot and fast. So right now, without the grill grates, this thing's at about 550 degrees at the thermometer. So obviously it's going to be hotter on the grill grates. So the grill thermometer said it was running around just under 500. I had the lid open. So checking with the obviously we got some good heat going on.